Hello guys, in this video, I will be reviewing the Fitbod app in 2025 and break down its pros and cons to help you decide if it's worth downloading. So, for just an overview, Fitbod is a workout planning and tracking app that generates custom workout routines based on your goals, fitness level, and equipment access. So, let's go with the pros. Number 1, Smart Workout Generator. It uses your training history and available equipment to give you personalized workouts. Number 2, Progress Tracking. It automatically logs your sets, reps, and weight, makes it easy to track your improvement. Number 3, Exercise Library. It comes with video demos and form tips for almost every movement. Number 4, Apple Health and Fitness App Sync, which is perfect for Apple Watch users. Number 5, great for home and gym. Whether you have dumbbells or just body weight, the app adapts to your situation. And then we go to their cons. Number 1, limited free version. After a few workouts, you will need a subscription. Number 2, no live coaching. It lacks real-time coaching or human feedback. Number 3, can be overwhelming for beginners. The app assumes some basic fitness knowledge. So, for final verdict, if you're motivated and you want structure in your workouts, Fitbod is one of the best apps in 2025. But if you're new to working out or need personal guidance, you might prefer a coach or a more guided app. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.